Chapter 2, Chapter 10, question 2 is very similar to question 1. So you should be able to do this just based on what you did in question 1, except for there are a whole lot of perimeters to fill in this one. So once you get all of your, you have to read the top of the question and the table and then the bottom of the question, and you get all your parameters, and then this down here has formulas that will populate for you. And so my profit is 893.25. Then it wants you to do the two-way data table, which means you have a value here and a value here. That's the two ways to determine the break even. And it wanted us to go in increments from 80 to 160 in increments of 5. And then from 10% to 30% in increments of 2. So to do this, you're going to grab this whole thing and you're going to go to data, what if analysis, and data table. And then your row input cell will be the percentage of non-member no-shows, and your column input will be the number of non-members registered. Tell it okay. And then in the question, my question said, looking at the 22% column, where is the break even? And so if I look down here, my first positive value is at 120. So somewhere between 115 and 120, I had a zero, a break even. So my answer is from 115 to 120. And then we were given 3 scenarios. And again, just like before, we've got to set up the scenario manager that will open up a whole nother sheet here for us. So as a reminder, what you'll do is data, what if analysis, scenario manager. I've got the scenarios in there. You can just edit and then just change your values. And then again, once you have all your values in there, you hit summary, and then B36, which is your value, B36, tell it okay. It builds the table, and then I can copy these values over and tell it, and then it wants to know which is my best and which is my sorry, I should not have copied that one. Okay, so now it wants me to say what's the highest profit and what's the lowest profit. So I can see for me, my highest profit is my best case, my lowest is my worst case. Imagine that. And I can put those numbers in, and that is question 2.